Hi, I'm Jeff Wellen and I'm with Amtrol's Technical Department, and we're here today at the Amtrol Center for Education, and we're going to be talking about residential pressurizer, and we're going to talk about one of the most frequently asked questions there is, and that is, my pump runs at night or during the day when I'm not using water. Now, how are we going to figure that out or find out why it's doing that? There are a couple of things we got to do, but first let's take a look and see what a normal system would look like. So, we'd have city supply, that would be our incoming water. We have a spring check valve, shut-off valves. We have a bypass loop, the pump. We have a Guardian CP, that's the control, pressure relief valve, and of course we've got a pipe out to the house. Now, before we start doing anything, this is the normal operation or the normal way your valve should be in normal operation of the pump. So, these two are open, bypass valve is closed. Now, to do this test, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get our pump to come on. Well, how are we going to do that? We're going to run some water, wait till the pump comes on, then we're going to stop running water, and we're going to turn off our valve on the bottom, and we're going to check our control for pressure drop. And if the pressure does start to drop on the control, that tells me I got a leak. Some of the possible causes are, I can have a leak in the toilet. I can have a leak in the irrigation system. I can have a leak in the plumbing itself. So the leak is going out to the house, and what that does is it lowers the pressure, and when it does that, it's going to make the pump come on. Now, in order to do the second test, again, we're going to have these two valves on. We're going to have to open up a faucet, get the pump to start up. Once it starts up, what we want to do is shut off the upper valve. We're going to check our control, and we're going to see if we have any pressure drop. If we do, then that's telling me I've got water going back out into the city street. And some of the possible causes of that are water's flowing back to the city. Why? It could have a faulty check valve. And what that's doing, it's allowing water to go back into the city. And when that happens, it lowers the pressure in the unit. And again, the unit will come on once it senses lower pressure. Now, if I want to work on my pump, this is what I would do. I would shut off both these valves, leave the upper valve on. That way, I'm still getting water to the house, but I can work on the pump for whatever reason. Now, during normal operation, again, I have these two lower valves open and the upper valve closed, so that the water is flowing through the pressurizer. And that concludes our help video on pump running without demand. And as always, check Amtrol.com for more help videos.